Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. Vee fights Ka3na to sleep beside Praise. Last night, Ka3na and Vee wrestled each other to sleep beside Praise for the night. Wow, this is getting really interesting. Praise is fast becoming the poster boy for Bbnaija lockdown show, as it's almost every lady's desire right now in the Big Brother house. It was shocking and also surprising to see two ladies, if not three, because Dorothy was also in the picture. They were all fighting themselves to for the one space left for someone to lie beside Praise for the night. So first, Ka3na was there. She was lying close to Praise, and then she stood up. Immediately she stood up. Vee ran and laid there with Praise. This caused a little bit of wrestling between Ka3na and Vee, as Ka3na wanted her space back with a man, Praise, but Vee wasn't ready to let go, and so they fought between themselves for the one person who would lie beside Praise. The guy Praise was just there smiling and laughing. He was happy with what he was seeing, and he's happy with the confusion it caused. Okay guys, what do you think about this recent development? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.